Cassandra, you're supposed to give, let's see, what does it say in the instructions? The following is a list of countries and the number of students from each one that attended your, there we go, that attend your university. Write the number of students by nationality. Use the masculine form. Remember that in Spanish, nationality is written in lowercase. Look up in the dictionary those that do not appear in the vocabulary list for lesson 2. And I sent you guys a link. So if you look here, this I sent out yesterday has got a lot of the nationalities in the masculine form. So anyway, it says Argentina 14. So you're just supposed to write the number and then make it plural. So you'd have 14. So since that's more than one, then if you got here for Argentina, if you look down here, where's Argentina? Here's Argentina. You need Argentino, but you're going to have to make it plural because you've got more than one. So here's Argentino, and you just add an S to it. And then so in Bolivia, it's 12, you would write 12, and then you could go out here, and here's Bolivia, Boliviano, you would write Bolivianos. And then you've got Colombia, and it's 17, so you would write 17. And then you need, no, 17 doesn't need it, so 17, and then you would go out here and find Colombia. There's Colombia, Colombiano, so you would write Colombiano, and then you'd have to add an S, because again, you've got 17. Okay, then here it's 18, 18, and now I've got Costa Rica, and so then you would go back out here and find Costa Rica, Costarricense, and then you need to add S again because it's plural. So Costarricenses. And then for Cuba, you have one, but remember, one is uno, but when you describe something with one, you have to drop the O. So then it'd be un, and then you go out and you find Cuba, Cubano. I thought I was plugged in. Please don't die. Okay, sorry. Okay, sorry about that. Okay, so now I'm plugged in and I won't die. I thought I was plugged in. So anyway, if I keep going, then we've got La República Dominicana, and you've got H. So, 8, so it'll be ocho, and then you have to find La República Dominicana, so that is Dominicano. So you would go back out here and write Dominicano, but again, because it's multiple Dominicanos. And then Ecuador, you would write 13, and then for Ecuador, you would find Ecuador out here, Ecuatoriano, and then you add the S, and then España, you're going to write 15, 15, whoops, 15, and you can find the numbers. Remember, they're in your book, but also remember on our Blackboard site, I had posted the vocabulary, like those sheets where you look under instructional videos, you can find the sheet, and on that sheet, it will have the numbers, both for chapter 1 and for chapter 2. So anyway, we've got 15, and then we go out here for España. Do we have Spain? There's Spain, Español. Okay, and when you make Español plural, you have to be more careful because remember, when we make words plural, we add an S to words that end in a vowel. We add an ES to those that end in a consonant. This is a consonant, so you have to add an ES. Then we have tres, and people from Guatemala. Guatemalteco, but there it is, Guatemalteco. And again, you just make it plural. Guatemaltecos, and then you do siete, and so on and so forth. So hopefully that explains what you're supposed to be doing.